Yeah, I know. That's why I'm staying real.
Like, you know that processed turkey? Looks like that, but it's a little seafoodish.
I know.
Ooh, it's gray.
I was like,
Ugh.
Maybe sepia will bring it back.
even worse. I've got lunch today.
Ew.
No, I was doing the impression of Bella.
Someone eat it.
No.
That's disgusting.
Okay, Mackenzie volunteers to eat it. We can make shark fin soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Shark souffle.
Ew.
Ew, gross.
Don't people like
Shark soup.
I don't feel like that, man.
Wait, don't people like in Hawaii just kill the sharks and take the fins and then like?
And then they set it free.
Oh, there's so much juice inside.
That's disgusting.
What? It's true.
You're gross.
Did you see a picture of my face? Are you taking a video?
I am.
Oh. Hey. This is so cool.
That is so
Look at
disgusting.
the juice.
Bella's got her lunch for today.
Shut up.
Oh, it smells
Why do you say
horrible.
me? Oh, I know why.
You're the one
Yeah.
you said yummy.
You eat organic.
Yeah, I'm joking. Shut up. Doesn't matter.
all the juice in there.
This is all organic, Bella.
So do I. Sorry.
Bella,
Can you
this
dump
is
it
all
out and
organic.
let all the juice come out? No, it's
it'll
not.
just-
It's
it'll
processed,
ooze out.
Chloe. And it's got the smell, which really doesn't sound appetizing. The tail looks like Gollum's. It feels like Gollum.
Bella, you're pushing. Yeah, so they can.
Oh, yay, pin. Can I do it? I'm just kidding.
Ew, gross. Bella, you're gross.
Do the female sharks?
Bella's the only one enjoying
Do the
this.
female sharks like have different?
Hey, it's awesome.
Okay,